Several jobs are on the line after Scotiabank's recent announcement that it will be closing more branches next year. Now, the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union (BITU) has stepped in a bid to save as many positions as possible. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Signs of the times. Scotiabank announcing closure of some branches next year. In a statement Tuesday evening, Scotiabank said it will be closing the Black River branch in February 2021 and the Old Harbour location in April 2021. The release further stated that by January next year, 6 other branches will be converted to a digital operating model. These are the Christiana, Falmouth, Portmore, Port Antonio, Port Maria, and St. Anne's Bay branches. The impact will no doubt have a damning effect on jobs. Already, talks are underway. President General of the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union (BITU) says the union has presented the bank with proposals in a bid to save as many jobs as possible.
That will include the possibility of things like voluntary separations for those who may want to go, transferring the skills in other areas or alternative channels in the bank where people can take on other opportunities, which may include training and developing the cadre of staff who will be impacted to treat with that. And the fact that we are pursuing a digital platform in the business, there is the likelihood and the call from the union where other opportunities can be created in areas that utilize technology.
The operations at the Black River branch will be consolidated into the Santa Cruz location in St. Elizabeth, while the Old Harbour operations will be shifted to Maypen in Clarendon. According to Scotiabank, the impending changes are to better align the bank with current revenues as well as the shift in customer preferences, especially since the onset of COVID-19. The bank said in some locations, traffic has been reduced by as much as 50% as customers continue to use digital banking platforms. Meanwhile, there have been mixed reactions to the news. Persons have taken to social media, questioning the impact this could have on senior citizens and jobs. President and CEO of Scotia Group Jamaica, David Noel, said the changes are necessary for the long-term success of the business. He says in order to preserve employment, the company will seek to find alternative roles for affected staff where possible. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.